Transform your hair's health and shine in just 3 days with this simple, effective routine. If your hair feels dull, dry, or lifeless, don't worry, this trend-driven plan uses a powerful mix of nourishing hair gloss and heatless styling techniques to restore shine without causing damage. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1. Revive with a hair gloss treatment. Today's all about hitting the reset button. Start by applying a nourishing hair gloss treatment. Unlike hair dye, gloss doesn't change your hair color. Instead, it adds shine, smooths the cuticle, and enhances your natural shade. Look for a gloss packed with hydrating ingredients like argan oil, keratin, or coconut extract. Apply it to clean, damp hair, making sure every strand is coated. Leave it on for the recommended time, usually about 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You'll notice your hair already feels softer and looks more vibrant. The gloss seals in moisture, smooths frizz, and creates that fresh from the salon shine. Day 2. Style without heat. On day 2, it's all about heatless styling. Let your hair rest from blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons. Instead, opt for techniques that don't involve heat, but still give your hair body and bounce. Try overnight braids, sock curls, or foam rollers to create beautiful waves. You can also wrap your hair around a silk scarf or use a heatless curling rod headband, which is currently all over social media. These methods shape your hair gently, preventing breakage and split ends that often come from daily heat styling. Pair this with a lightweight leave-in conditioner or serum to add softness and reduce frizz. The goal here is to protect the shine you started building on day 1 while keeping your hair styled and manageable. Day 3. Reveal the shine. By day 3, your hair has had time to absorb nutrients from the gloss and recover from heat damage. It's time to enjoy the results. Start the day by brushing your hair gently with a boar bristle brush to distribute natural oils from your scalp down the hair shaft. This helps enhance shine even more. You'll notice a major difference. Your hair looks shinier, feels softer, and moves more fluidly. There's no greasy buildup, just healthy, light-reflecting strands. Finish with a shine spray or a touch of hair oil on the ends to really make it pop. You've just completed your 3-day transformation from dull to glossy without harsh chemicals or damage. And that's it! A complete 3-day transformation, no salon visit needed. If this helps you or you're ready to try it yourself, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy beauty routines and hair care tips. Your dream hair might just be 3 days away.